This video will show how to load roll paper into the Epson SureColor P600 printer. The first step is to attach the left and right roll paper holders to the roll paper. Make sure the paper is overhand. Position the paper so the left and right tabs point toward the printer. Open the rear tray, but do not extend the support. Using the orange arrows as guides, align both left-hand tabs on the top and bottom into the slots. On the right-hand side, slide the hook on the holder down to secure it. The roll paper holder will now be firmly attached to the back of the printer. Feed the paper into the roll paper path opening. Align the paper so the paper is flush and straight on the right. Push the paper forward. You may encounter some resistance at first, but keep applying gentle pressure until the printer pulls the paper into the printing position. You are now ready to print. When printing is finished, unload the roll paper. To unload the roll paper, push the Cut Eject button on the front panel. Select Eject. Roll the paper back and put it back in the original packaging. Push Continue on the front panel to clear the message.